Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. I'm here to introduce a brand new presentation prompter from Datavideo, specifically designed to be used with PTZ cameras. It's called the TP-900, and I'm using it right now. You might be asking why and where would I be using a teleprompter with a PTZ camera? Well, let me show you an application on how I'm using the TP-900 in our Datavideo studio. Currently, I'm reading the script from the TP-900, but I'm also want to move around the set and still make eye contact with the prompter, as well as the camera. I don't have an operator to move the camera around for me, so I accomplish my camera movements by using the Datavideo PTZ 285 tracking camera, which is mounted behind the glass of the prompter. As I walk left or right of the stage, the PTZ 285 tracking camera will follow me around so I'm always in the shot. As I move closer or walk away from the camera, the PTZ 285 will zoom in or out so I'm properly framed throughout the presentation. The beauty of the TP-900 is the size of the large 25-inch glass panel, which provides me a larger viewing area so I can read the text from many different angles and distances from the prompter. As we look under the hood of the TP-900, we can see another unique feature, which is the way the PTZ camera is mounted. The camera is upside down on this PTZ lift. The lift allows me to get the camera lens as close as possible to the glass so that I have a wider range of movement of the camera without obstructed views of the frame of the prompter. The mounting lift can be adjusted vertically and horizontally, which will allow me to fit nearly any PTZ camera in the center and get full coverage of my studio. The TP-900 comes with a built-in 15-inch monitor, which is pre-installed with the dvPrompter software app. You can easily import text scripts, PowerPoint slides, and create playlists for your presentations. I can also mirror a laptop to my prompter screen to further customize the way I do presentations. Either way, I'm always keeping eye contact to my online audience, which is the main reason you use a teleprompter. And by the way, I'm also using this wireless presentation clicker to control the speed of the text of the prompter or advance a PowerPoint slide. Every wireless clicker I've tested works with the TP-900. To learn more about the Datavideo TP-900, as well as our tracking PTZ cameras, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos on our new presentation tools coming soon from Datavideo. Thanks for watching.